readily available in the market. And this is the one that is inside the retractable part. So this one has 16 lines. And this one has 8 lines. Right? But it's the same 1 inch. If you place it on each other, you see that it's the same 1 inch. Abi? Okay. Now I want to draw this. This is the one that is common. This is the one I'm going to draw right now. Now that part where your metal is a grip by this side, right? That's 0, but there's nowhere to write it. Yeah? I can write it because I'm writing on the board. Okay. I'm going to stop here. So because like I said, this is 0, right? So if you count the lines in your table, please look at your table. If you count the line, you are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you count the one in this one, you are going to have 16 lines. Inside this one, you are going to have 16 lines, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what they've done in this one is that these spaces, they have even gone ahead to divide it into 2. That's what happened with this one. Right? Okay. So if you pick this now, because we counted 8, it's 1/8. If you count 1, 2, it's 2/8. Abi? And so on and so forth. If you pick 2, if you pick it 2, 2, 2, 2, it becomes 1/4. This one becomes 2/4. Abi? And so on and so forth. If you divide it into 2, which is half inch, Abi? It becomes 1/2, which means we have divided 1 inch into 2 places. So this one is saying we've divided 1 inch into 8 places. If you pick it 2, 2, it's saying we've divided 1 inch into 4 places. Which is why we have 1/4, 1/4. So in this class, you're going to hear me say a lot of 0.5, 0.25. So if I say 0.25, I'm talking about 1/4. Right? Do you understand? Okay. You don't understand? Which one are you not? So this is, if you pick these lines, 2, 2. That's 1/4. It means we have divided 1 inch into 4 places. Right? Okay. And then if I say 0.25, I'm talking about 1/4. Right? Okay. So now for that other taperule that is divided into 2, it means that this line, they've also divided it again. Abi? That's why you have that 16. It's still 1 inch. They just divided it into 16 places instead of 8 places, right? Because at a point, as a fashion designer, you're going to need that over 16 something at a point, right? Okay. So do we understand? Yes. So if you want to divide using your taperule, not calculator or any other calculation. So 35 divided by 2 now. You're going to take the edge of this taperule to the back of that 35, that line that divides 3 and 5. You take your taperule there. This is divided into 2. So you check what is there. So the answer now is 17.5. But we are trying to divide it into 4, Abi. So you now also take the edge of that taperule to that line of 17.5 again. So we have 8.75. So that's how you use your taperule to do that division.